Lately, we've been talking a lot about the financial side of homeownership, but I don't want that overshadow another really important part of the homeownership that's meaningful, emotional, and lifestyle benefits. When you have a piece of your own, there's feeling of satisfaction and pride like no other. And because you're gonna stay put for a while, there's more stability and predictability too. It sets you to really feel like you're part of a community because you got a stake in its future. And that gives you a chance to put down your roots and make memories with friends that last for a lifestyle. Whatever you're feeling or picturing right now, hold on to it. Sure, today's market can be tricky to navigate, but this is your why. And that's exactly what we're gonna make it worth it in the end. And that can help you get there. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate agent and expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I've served the Chicagoland and the suburbs. My number is 773-550-4846. Let's talk about your buying process, how much you can afford, and where are you looking to move.